Hey my cookies! Today I'll be showing you how I make crawfish balls. They so doggone good. Look at this. Let's cook. First we're going to melt some butter in our pan. Next I'm going to add in my finely diced onion, bell pepper, celery, and garlic. Going to saute that around for about 2 to 3 minutes. When you thaw out your frozen crawfish shells, you're going to see this orange liquid. That's the fat. Reserve it and pour it in. It's going to add flavor. Now we can pour in a little bit of liquid crab oil. Gotta have that kick. Stir that around. Then we can add our roughly chopped crawfish tails, some Cajun seasoning, some onion powder, and some chopped green onion. Go ahead and stir that around for about 2 minutes. Remember that your crawfish is already cooked. You just want to heat them up, just warm them without overcooking. So after 2 minutes, turn it off. Now I'm going to add in some breadcrumbs. That's going to be my filler. So that we can roll these up. I like to get it good and combined, then flatten the stuffing. The heat is completely off. Just leave it in the pan, allow it to cool to touch. So when it's cool enough, we can roll them into these 1-inch balls. Then I'm gonna pop them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now let's create our breading station. We're gonna start with all-purpose flour. To that, I'm adding in some creole seasoning, just a little bit, mix it in. In another dish, we're going to add 2 eggs and some milk, and we're going to whisk them together really well until they're frothy to create an egg wash, like that. And the last stop of the breading station, just some breadcrumbs. I use the Italian style. So after 30 minutes in the fridge, the balls go into the flour first, give it a little shake to coat, then the egg wash, lastly, the breadcrumbs, and do that with all of them. Now it's time to deep fry. So heat some oil to 350 degrees and we're gonna drop these bad boys in. I like to dip them in first, take them out, and then put them back. That just prevents them from sticking to the basket. We're gonna fry for about 3 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown like this. Go ahead and drain on a wired rack, and y'all, it is time to eat. I serve mine with a remoulade sauce that's extra spicy, but serve it with whatever you like. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these guys in the comment section. Look at the inside. Oh my God, I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.